Because I'm. Oh, we are at Island Bay for Unit 1013. Uh, they already have a piece of section of pipe. Section of PVC that they changed out, well, cast iron to PVC. So this apartment already has some work done to it.
Need me to show it?
Yeah, show it in there. Stop moving so much. Okay, there's a Y that's already connected to the cast iron underneath. Okay, that's good. So up to the 90 was already, the bottom of the 90 was already broke, and from where they dug and stopped, it's still broken, so we're going to camera some more.
We'll pass that. We'll pass the.
A bunch of crud in it.
You need me to break it?
See if you can break it on that side. Here, let me put it on this side. It's going to flop back and hit you. Be careful with the water running. That got a bunch of stuff in it, huh?
Yeah.
That's good, Hector, that's good.
That all the way through. I don't think I'm going to be able to push it.
We're going to try to attempt to go through this. It's full of stuff, huh? Going? Alright. You can't see nothing because this is so much gunk in the line. Let me see where you're at real quick. You gonna push it in a little bit?
Now I'm gonna pull it out from the lens.
You're not gonna be able to see nothing because it has too much.
It was.
It wasn't even that far in there, huh?
Yeah, I know. But whatever I was hitting.
You gotta knock it loose?
Yeah.
Okay. We're trying just to get this camera to see which way these lines go so we could give them an estimate to replace the whole cast iron.
Good.
You're good? A little bit. It already went all in the mud. Just keep on this one. Alright, hold on. That's where it hits?
Huh?
It hits right there?
It hits right there.
So it won't go no more?
I don't think so. No.
Okay.
Right there. Furthest I can go. Locate.
It's gonna be at the lavatory.
Huh?
It's gonna be at the lavatory.
Yeah, right?
It's gonna be right at the lavatory. Push it back towards you.
why I stopped right there, Damon.
I know which way it goes.
Which way is going straight back, right?
It passes the laboratory, and then it turns, and it connects to the,
Next restroom,
no,
next unit.
which I'll show you when you get out. You gotta remember, they're all the same line. Okay, we know where the pipe goes now. I'm gonna fill out another estimate to replace the rest of the piping. And it is gonna also service the lavatory and the restroom. That'll be it for this, survey.
Rinse this thing out, dude.
I don't know where one fits on that. Let me take it outside.
Yeah, see if we got